Hey friends, welcome back to Holistic Millets Cuisine. Today I want to talk about an ancient grain known as emmer wheat or commonly known as khapli wheat. Usually wheat is consumed in regular diet, but from the past 10 to 15 years people are intolerant to gluten. The way the processing of wheat is completely changed in the new ages. In the olden days, the wheat harvest is washed, then sun dried and shade dried so that the gluten molecule is weakened and easily digestible by the system. But from the past 10 to 15 years, the processing is not done correct and everything is genetically modified and resulting in many diseases. Today, we are going to explore about health benefits of emmer wheat, which is popularly known as khapli wheat. Emmer wheat or khapli wheat is known for its no gluten or very low gluten property. The gluten molecule is very weak and can be easily broken down by our digestive system, thus making it suitable for people with gluten intolerance. The regular wheat varieties like Sherbati and many others are oftenly grown by genetically modifying, so there is a big chance that these wheat flours available in the market easily have high gluten content in them, which acts as one of the key ingredients for many diseases. Khapli wheat is an ancient variety of wheat in Bharat, and being intolerant to high heat, it is popularly grown in northeastern parts of Bharat. It is still available in the markets, and lot of farmers in villages still eat this wheat, which is why it is commonly known as khapli wheat. Khapli wheat grain is long in size, dark in color, and usually rotis and chapatis made using the flour gives us brownish or reddish color rotis. Knowing about the health benefits of khapli wheat, there is a scientific evidence produced by the agriculturists that there are amazing properties of eating khapli wheat. The first and great benefit of khapli wheat is it is great for diabetes because it has the ability to lower blood sugar levels, and also it has essential nutrients that boost our immunity system. The gluten molecule being very weak in khapli wheat, the digestive system can easily break down the gluten, preventing acidity and bloating problems. Khapli wheat has also the great ability to lower bad cholesterol. Now, it doesn't mean that eating khapli wheat lowers bad cholesterol, but proper exercise, proper nutritious diet, right amount of sleep, the way you think, everything adds up to our healthy lifestyle. Coming to the nutrition, khapli wheat has twice the fiber, twice the protein, and has complex carbohydrates. Therefore, khapli wheat acts as a healthy alternative in your diet with amazing health benefits. It is also rich in niacin of vitamin B3, magnesium, iron, and many other micronutrients. So, let's start incorporating khapli wheat in our regular diet. Start with a simple small roti and check if you have any acidity or bloating impact on your gut. Keep it in small amounts till your digestive system is used to it. Then slowly you can completely shift to this amazing and nutritious food. Emmer wheat is also very reasonably priced. So have a healthy and balanced diet, stay healthy, stay happy. Now we'll check how the khapli wheat flour rotis or chapatis are made and how it reacts and how it looks. Here I am taking 1 cup of khapli wheat flour, to which I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of Himalayan pink rock salt and 1 teaspoon of wood pressed coconut oil. And to which to make the dough, 1/4 cup of water plus a few more spoons of water is needed. So pour the water little by little and knead for 5 minutes. Because khapli wheat contains a very weak gluten molecule, it requires little more time to set and become soft. And also, as gluten is very low. Rotis or chapatis made with this flour may or may not puff up like other flours which has more amounts of gluten. But the rotis made with kapli wheat flour is as soft as other flours. Cover with a cotton towel and rest the dough for 30 minutes. So now after 30 minutes, knead the dough for a minute, divide into equal portions and roll the dough. 1 cup of dough can make 4 to 5 rotis. Heat the tawa and fry the roti, and once it starts bubbling, flip the roti and fry on the other side. While frying on the other side, you can softly press all the edges of the roti so that it helps roti to puff up. Each flour reacts differently, so kapli wheat with low gluten content, it may not puff fully, but it puffs slightly. Our healthy kapli wheat flour chapati is ready to serve.